Module 2. As a very important step before the creative professional comes to class, meet with the creative professional and co-design the content of Module 2 and 3 to fit for the specific class. In order for you to follow the Creatives Academy program goals and to achieve the development of the predicted competencies, a package of resources to use when co-designing is created. In the folder Module 2 in Word format, you can find a template for learning design chart and the checklist table as Annex F. Your work in Module 3 will facilitate the use of template for creative process scheme, which lies under Annex H. Each step corresponds to different roles, and helping questions under each step will guide you to discover roles under each category. Within the co-design session between you and creative professional and before going into school class, we strongly advise you to go through the training toolkit for teachers, which is consisted of online course, reflection diary, and video material presenting the experiences of teachers and students after the implementation of the curriculum. Also, we strongly advise to go through the podcast guide for creative professionals and Creatives Academy student curriculum document in order to be aligned with the project's goals and philosophy, and to have some tips in mind before applying the curriculum in class. In terms of timing, at least 1 hour co-design session is suggested. Module 2. Meet the creative professional. The aim of this module is to establish opportunities for young people to have encounters with creative professionals. Students will have learning experiences related to the cultural profession and also will have access to videos of creative professionals presenting their workplaces, skills, challenges, sharing foresight about the future of creative industries, relating this to the curriculum and the Creatives Academy program. Activity 1. Inquiry on Arts. Predicted duration, 45 minutes. Step 1. In this activity, divide students in 2 groups and give them a form, template for favorite artist homework research. Groups need to choose one of their favorite artists or cultural professionals and make a small homework research about him or her and prepare a small presentation to show findings to their colleagues. You can find the form template for favorite artist homework research in Word format as Annex G in the folder Module 2. Step 2. Organize the presentations of 2 groups' research or findings in class. Both groups will present all requested information from the template, and classmates will be asked to react and think about what impressed them the most. Activity 2. First encounter. Predicted duration, 45 minutes. Step 1. In this activity, creative professional is coming to class to introduce himself to students. The creative professional will make a first introduction of him or herself and his or her work, and will bring some sample of his work in any form that may work as a stimulus for the students, or additionally a video from his or her workplace. Creative professional will also, within presentation, analyze possible social aspects of their profession and demonstrate how they relate their work to local or global community matters. Step 2. In this activity, the students will take the floor and state what impressed them the most, ask questions about his or her work, and reflect on whether they would follow this profession or not. Creative professional will then leave the classroom with a promise to come back and work with them in Module 3 on a creative project. Step 3. In this activity, present several videos of creative professionals in their native language or in English to students and invite them to watch all videos. These videos were prepared also for schools that do not have access to creative professionals in order to facilitate the process as much as possible, but also for students in general to have more perspectives on the creative and artistic profession. Below you will find the link to creative professionals' interviews. The teacher may also invite the students to take notes during the screening of videos and ask them questions on what they saw in the video, like creative professional name, job role. What job role did the creative professional have? Have you heard of this job before? What does it involve? What is the most interesting aspect of the job role? How is it similar to the previous creative professional we have met? How is it different if they met someone? Have you learned anything different in this session? Can you use any of the information from this session and use it in the future? Based on the estimation of the teacher at the end of Module 2, additional reflection can be done with students by asking them to fill the reflection questionnaire. You can find the form Extended Module 2 Reflection in Word format in the folder Module 2.